This is the Audi Q4 Sportback E-Tron Concept. It's a Q, it's a Sportback. It's an e-tron. From 100 meters away you can clearly see it's an electric Audi. The inverted phase. An electric car needs less air. So we were able to close our famous single frame. We covered it and brightened it up and put it into a black mask. It's a Q model. We have big wheels, short overhangs and strong quattro muscles on top of all four wheels. The slim cabin sitting on the wide shoulders, this Sportback roofline and the position of the spoiler. This is not just looking very, very sporty, it helps to reduce the drag coefficient. The interior fits perfectly to the sporty exterior. Bold 3D applications, augmented head-up display. It's heavily driver-oriented. And so this car combines in a perfect way nice aesthetics with efficiency. I'm really looking forward to see this car on the road.